today I'm going to share about how to remove background of a picture. So first of all we have to go remove.bg website. Then in the website we can see here uh, we can change the background of a picture to make our picture so professional. So first of all we have to upload image in this website. We can upload a picture like that. It's my picture. So this is a picture. We can change the background of a picture within 1 second. So we can change here background. We can change different kind of views, for example like that. This is pyramid view and this is hills view. This is really awesome. We can change any background from the picture. This is really incredible. Beside of that, apart from that, we can change the color of the background. So this is really amazing. We can create professional photo from there. So I think this video will be very helpful. So we can download here within 1 second. We can download this picture free. So in this website we can change the background of the picture to create a professional photo to make our life easy. So that's it. I will back soon.